In this lesson, we cover how to read Forex charts, understand candlesticks, and identify support and resistance. Charts are the core tool of technical analysis. They provide a visual representation of price movement over time. For weekly market breakdowns and actionable trading insights, don't forget to subscribe to the Blueberry YouTube channel. Let's start with the basics. Types of charts. There are three main chart types used in Forex. Line charts. These connect closing prices over a selected time period. They give a clean view of overall direction but lack detail. Bar charts. Bar charts display four pieces of data for each period: open, high, low, and close. They provide more information but can appear complex. Candlestick charts. Candlesticks are the most widely used chart type in Forex. Like bar charts, they show open, high, low, and close. However, they use a body to visually represent whether the price closed higher or lower than it opened. If the price closes higher, the candle is bullish. If the price closes lower, it is bearish. Candlestick patterns such as dojis, hammers, and engulfing candles can signal potential reversals or continuation moves. Support and resistance. Two of the most important concepts in chart analysis are support and resistance. Support is a price level where buying interest tends to increase, causing price to pause, and resistance is a level where selling pressure tends to increase, causing price to stall or reverse. These levels form because markets have memory. Traders remember previous reaction points and often act around those areas again. An important concept to understand is role reversal. When support breaks, it can become resistance. When resistance breaks, it can become support. Traders also draw trend lines by connecting higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. These create dynamic areas of support and resistance. Why this matters. Understanding charts and key price levels helps traders identify potential entry points, set stop-loss levels, define risk clearly, improve trade timing. Charts translate market psychology into something visual and measurable. Mastering these basics gives you the foundation to apply technical analysis with structure and discipline. If you'd like to apply what you've learned in a practice setting, you can open a free Blueberry demo account to trade in a simulated market environment. Follow Blueberry for more educational videos and actionable trading insights designed to support your trading journey.